So here is the front of our lovely Surveyor Legend 203 RKL couples travel trailer. It's 2021 and a half, and right now we have the slide out. It makes it really roomy on the inside, and it has added feature. We added the awning over it, which helps protect the slide out. And as we go around here, the front part here has dual propane, tongue jack, that's automatic, and 2 batteries, and this orange thing that turns on the electricity with either when you're plugged into electricity or solar also. And as we go around here is
Solar charge too, by the way.
that's what I just